afternoon, class. You are welcome to our online class. Today we will be having what quantitative quizzing. Well, today we'll be looking at two samples, sample A and sample B. Now, now, well, first things first, you are going to read the instruction. It says sample A, use the above sample to answer questions 1 to 5. Now, here is the diagram of the first sample. Now, this is the sample. Here is the first one, here is the second one, here is the third one. Why? So now you first things first is you'll be you'll be profiling solution. Okay, 1 4 2 2, see 2 2 16 4, and the last sample is 1 5 10 50. Now you'll be first thing is you'll be asking yourself, how did they get 4? How did they get 1? How did they get 2? How did they get 2 again? Now you first thing is you'll be, what is the solution to find this? And remember, in quantitative, that all the keys, the solution must be what? Must be the same. All the solution must be what? The same. So what will work for this have to work for this. What will work for this must work for this. Do you understand? So now we are going to start profiling solution. Now to do this, you do 2 times 2, 2 times 1 times 2. That's what? 4. So to get 4, it will be 4. This one is what? 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. That's to get 4. So is it working here? Let's check whether it's going to work here. Now we have what? We have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, 16. True or false? It's correct. So that means it's working here. So here is 16 is equals to what? 2 times 2 times 4. That's 16. Now you will now the last diagram, you look at it. Now 1 times 5, 5 times 10 is what? 50. So to get 50, you have 1 times 5, 5 times 10. That's what? 50. So now, first things first, you have gotten what? The key. You have what? You have gotten the key to the what? You have profiled solution to this. Now, now the next thing will be, how do you get to? How do you get to? By the time we start solving questions, you realize that we will meet several things. Now, question 1. A is 8, B is 9, C is 14, D is what? 15, and E is 30. Now, first things first, when you see this in the examination hall, when you ask yourself, how do they get this box? That's the first thing. The box will now be, remember, you go back to the sample. To get 4, what do? 2 times 2 times 1 is what? 4. Simple. You just come here and say 3 times 5 times 1 is what? 15. So the answer here is what? The answer here is what? 15. Option what? D. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Continue.
Should I continue? Okay. So, oh yeah, now. It goes, so to get this box, you say box is equals to 5 times 3 times 1 to get this box. So 5 times 3 is what? 15. 5 times 3 means count 5 in what? three places. So it goes 1, here is 5, here is 5, here is 5. So you count everything together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is what? 15. So here is the answer. So 15 is the answer. So we will now look at what? Example 2. Example 2. Example is it? Good. Thank you. So we look for what? Example 2. So now for sample 2. So that's for question number 2. We have box 5 to 30. So we are saying option A is what? To be option B is 5, option what? C is 15, and option D is what? 5. So now look at it. Option A, option B, option C. So now they are asking you, how do you get what? How do you get this up below? What does it become? It becomes, here is 30. To get this box, remember, you multiply here to get this, right? So to get this, remember, you are multiplying these three things together to get this. So to get this box now, it becomes 30 divided by 2 times 5. Am I making sense? So now 30 divided by what? 10 is equals to what? 3. So is 3 there? Option what? A. So I'm on to what? My second sample for today. That's sample B. So do you understand? So definitely I'm going to give you a class exercise and what? And a class exercise and a class starts, like after school starts. Immediately we are done with today's work, with today's arrangement. So sample B. So now first things first, what does it become? 1, 1, 2, 3. Now you'll be asking yourself, how are we going to do this? This is the first one, the second diagram, the third diagram. The first diagram, the second diagram, and the third diagram. Now you'll be like, okay, look at it. To get 6, to get 16, to get 17, to get 3, to get 1, to get 3, to get 2, to get 1. Now to get 6, it becomes, now you look at it, you remember in quantitative, what works for here must work for here, must work for here. So it becomes 3 becomes what? 1 times 1, that's to get 6. 6 is equal to 1 times 1 plus 2 plus 3. Do you understand? So 1 times 1, 1 times 1 is what? 1 plus, you will now count 2 plus 3. Now look at, can you see my hand? So you say 2, these 2 sticks plus these 3 sticks. What does it become? You count everything together. 2 plus 3 becomes what? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? 5. So it means automatically that here is what 5. So 1 plus 5 is what is equals to what 6. So which it means that's how to get what is 6. Do you understand? So to get 16 becomes to get okay. Since we've gotten 6, to get the rest of the rest becomes what? To get since we've gotten 6, to get 2. 2 is what? That's 6 minus what? 1 times 1, right? 1 times 1 plus what? 3 times question mark, right? So that's what yeah, you'll be like 6 minus 1 plus times what 3, right? So which becomes what 6 minus 4, which is equal to what 2. So now we've gotten 6, we've gotten 2. Now are we going to check? Let's check whether this solution works for this. Does it? Right, now let's try. We have 16 here, right? So to get 16, it means 3 times 4 is 12, right? Plus 2 times 2. Are we there? So what does it become? 12 plus 4, which is equal to what? 16. Did you get it? Did you see? The same method. We have gotten 16. Now to get 2. 2 is equals to what? Now be 16 minus 4 times 3 plus what? 2, right? So here is what? 16 minus 12 plus 2, which is equal to what? 15 minus 14, which is equal to 2. Do you understand? Are we there? So that's it. So well, for today I have come to the conclusion of our today's class. I'm going to give you an assignment. After the assignment, well, we'll be doing this more often, just at Best Home Tutors on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. You can subscribe, like our videos on YouTube. Then as well, you can join us on Likey, we're on TikTok, or whatever social media platform at Best Home Tutors. At what? Best Home Tutors. From my humble self,